I solved the LinkedIn Captcha problem. Yes, and I'm not even joking about it at all. At all. I made a video in this particular channel where I talked about steps, things, tips you could do in order to solve this major problem, the LinkedIn Captcha error, missing Captcha error. A lot of people have been crying about, and someone actually took time. She said she watched the video twice. I'm just gonna put a picture of that comment, of that single comment. That comment made my day. In fact, I responded to the last comment, yes, the very last one today, and so I told myself there is no way I'm going to let it go today. I'm going to make a video on this particular breakthrough. It's our breakthrough, guys. So in that video, I took time to mention all the steps that you need to take in order to solve the LinkedIn Captcha error. She took her time. She said she watched the video twice. That's where I stopped the story. She watched the video twice. She took her time and started taking it one after the other, and then something clicked. It works for her. She was thanking me so much. And this is to tell you that there's this joy that we creators tend to have. I'm sorry to digress. Whenever we solve a problem for you, our audience, because I don't want to have a channel where I'm just going to be ranting. I'm not helping anybody out there. So when I saw the comment, it made my day. It made me so happy. And I want to bring it to you, that to remind you that this channel is everything career related with glory. And in this channel, I try as much as possible. My prayer is that I have a channel that will help people. I research, I do my own due diligence, I give you feedback, you work on it, and you tell me, oh, it's actually worked, and I am happy, I am inspired, I am encouraged. I genuinely find joy in that. When I saw that comment, I don't want to stress that. This is the comment. This is the comment, guys. Anyway, straight into the video without wasting your time. What actually worked? I know that's your question. What actually worked in this missing Captcha that helped her out? In case you don't know, Captcha, what does it mean? Completely automated public Turing test for something that tells human and computers apart. The reason why I don't want to go into all of that is because you can check that online and find that out for yourself. But the essence of this video is to tell you what actually worked. So if you're watching this particular video, I want you to relax. Don't worry, I'm gonna give you the tea, okay? I'm gonna give you the tea. But in that video, I listed a couple of things that, based on research, that I saw that could possibly solve this LinkedIn Captcha error. I talked about the first one, clearing your cookies. I talked about your JavaScript, making sure that your browser is loading your JavaScript and script loading. If you don't know, you can check out that video. You will see all the steps I listed there. I talked about a whole lot of things because I made an in-depth research, like I said, okay? But guess what, guys? Guess what? The one that clicked, the one that solved the problem was using an incognito window. Not just on any browser, but on Edge, Microsoft Edge. So LinkedIn advised that you could try using a Microsoft Edge browser or a Brave browser. But this person that made me shoot this very video said she made use of Microsoft Edge on an incognito window. So if you don't know what that means, it just means a private window. Please subscribe to this channel. Very important. It encourages me. Please like the video, share it to your friends and family, subscribe, comment if it works for you, comment if it doesn't work for you. I don't mind. I will still go ahead to see if I can make more research anytime I have the time, and hopefully this particular one works. Hopefully I don't even get to do more research on this. Hopefully this is just the very last one that will solve everybody's problem, because it has already solved one person's problem. So what else are we waiting for? Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.